Hi South Africa, I am Anita White and I am really thrilled to be part of the InnovateEDU conference this year. My background is as a primary teacher in London, working in a number of schools over the years with maths and computing as my specialism. At the moment, I am now an education consultant working across schools, some days teaching with pupils, others with parent workshops, and other times whole school professional development with teachers. So I can't wait to come and visit you in South Africa, to meet you, to spend time with you, share some resources, ideas and experiences, and definitely learn something along the way. So why am I taking a few days out of my normal timetable? Here's a taste of what I'll be sharing. I've put together three of the most, what I think is the most engaging and motivating projects that I've been working on recently in the field of STEM, maths and creativity. So the first workshop we've got is I've called Game Creation, emphasis on the creation there. So we will be exploring maths concepts of variables. We'll be doing some programming in programs such as Scratch, looking at examples that would be applicable from primary all the way through to secondary. So during this workshop, we will go step by step, a number of little mini challenges and mini games to result in your game creation at the end, and we will also be playing each other's games too. My second workshop I've called Getting Creative with Visual Maths. This one's a bit more artistic. We're looking at concepts of geometry using Scratch again. Again, applicable from primary all the way through to secondary. We're going to take it as far as you want to go with it, but we will be working through a number of concepts, expressing these mathematical ideas through programming blocks and coding. Who knew that this could be so artistic and creative? So if you're a visual learner and you enjoy getting creative in maths and art, this session should not disappoint. And my third final session I've called Creating a Virtual World. Again, the emphasis on creating a virtual world. This will be using tools such as codespaces.edu to develop your own virtual world. Again, primary all the way through to secondary. We're going to blend it across there. Examples of what you might create could be a dream classroom, a workspace, a virtual exhibition, cultural experience, language exchange. It could even be an escape room with lots of complicated coding. So it will be your own virtual creation, and we will explore them virtually using VR. So hopefully I'll get the opportunity to meet you, come say hello, and even better, maybe sign up to one of my workshops.